Hey everyone, in this video we are showing you how to join any Discord server including the Sammy's Discord server. So let's get right into it and get started. To join a Sammy server you must have an invite link. So if it is a public server you can usually find it online. You just need to go over and search for Sammy's Discord server and hit enter. If you do, you can find the link, which should be available like this with an invite. When you click in that particular link, you will be finding an option called accept invite. So it will have a description. If it's on social media, you can click on there, or if there is a description, something like that, you can just go over and click on it. Because without an invite link, there is no way to join the server. So if you have the invite link, you can select this option of accept invite and it should start accepting the invite. You can open up Discord or you can continue the Discord within the application, within the browser itself. So just go over and do so. And once you open it up here, you can start by selecting it up. You can select up your notifications. I'm just going to do none and select next. After that, you can read and agree to the server rules and just go over and click on finish. After you do so, you will be finding yourself in the server directly. You can find your channel service in your left hand side, which means you are already in the server. So this is the method available for that. Apart from that, if you'd like to get the invite, what you can do is basically go ahead and within your server right here, on your left hand side, you can click on the plus option if that option is available. Go to direct messages, go over and look out for the plus option, and just go over and join a server. And that is how you basically do it, everybody. Or click on this plus option right here and select this option of join a server and paste the invite link right here and click this option called join a server. And that's it. That's how we join the Sammy's Discord server. So if you want, you can just go over and follow up the steps to do so pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.